Have you ever looked at a mountain and thought, what if that thing suddenly exploded? Because right now, in Japan, scientists are watching a volcano that may already be waking up beneath the surface. And the terrifying part? Most people nearby would never notice the warning signs until it's too late. At first glance, everything looks peaceful, but deep below the Earth's crust, something may already be moving. Researchers have recently detected unusual earthquake activity, underground pressure changes, and movement beneath one of Japan's dangerous volcanic regions. To most people, these signals mean nothing. Life continues normally. Tourists still visit nearby areas. The skies remain calm. The mountains look silent. But scientists know something important. Volcanoes rarely wake up all at once. First, the Earth whispers. And that's exactly why experts are becoming concerned. Japan sits directly on the Pacific Ring of Fire, one of the most unstable regions on Earth. Beneath the Pacific Ocean, gigantic tectonic plates constantly grind against each other deep underground. That pressure has created earthquakes, tsunamis, and more than 100 active volcanoes across Japan. Some erupt regularly, but others stay quiet for decades, sometimes thousands of years. And honestly, those are often the volcanoes scientists fear the most, because silence does not always mean safety. Sometimes it means pressure is building. And this is where things start becoming truly terrifying. Scientists studying volcanic activity in southern Japan recently discovered signs that magma may slowly be building beneath the famous Kikai Caldera. This isn't just another volcano. Kikai Caldera is the remains of an ancient underwater supervolcano hidden south of Japan. And what happened here, thousands of years ago, was catastrophic. Around 7,300 years ago, this volcanic system unleashed one of the most powerful eruptions Earth has ever seen. Some scientists believe the explosion was so massive that entire human settlements may have disappeared. Now, imagine hearing that the same volcanic system may still be active today. Imagine standing in Japan thousands of years ago. The ground begins shaking violently beneath your feet. The sky suddenly turns dark. Ash starts falling like snow. The ocean moves strangely, and somewhere beyond the horizon, an entire volcano is tearing itself apart. That ancient eruption changed the region forever. And now, researchers believe magma may slowly be returning beneath the same volcanic system once again. Not tomorrow, not next week, but enough to remind scientists that this volcano is still alive. But how do scientists even know a volcano is waking up? Because before an eruption happens, the Earth starts behaving strangely. One of the first warning signs is tiny earthquakes underground. Most are far too small for humans to feel, but to volcanologists, these tremors can reveal magma forcing its way through rock beneath the surface. And this next warning sign is something scientists never ignore: ground deformation. In some volcanic regions, the Earth itself begins swelling as pressure builds below. Imagine inflating a balloon, except the balloon is the ground beneath your feet. Scientists also monitor volcanic gases escaping through cracks in the Earth. These gases can rise long before lava ever reaches the surface. And when multiple warning signs appear together, scientists know something underground is changing. Right now, researchers believe some of those signs may already be appearing in Japan. But here's the truly frightening part. Volcanoes do not work on human schedules. A volcano can remain silent for centuries and then suddenly erupt with almost no warning at all. Japan has experienced this nightmare before. In 2014, Mount Ontake erupted while hikers were near the summit. At first, many people didn't even understand what was happening. Then, within moments, ash clouds and volcanic rocks exploded into the sky around them. People had almost no time to escape. More than 60 lives were lost. And what shocked scientists most was how quickly everything happened. The volcano had shown very few obvious warning signs beforehand. That disaster became a terrifying reminder that volcanoes do not always announce themselves loudly before erupting. Sometimes the deadliest eruptions begin with only subtle clues hidden deep underground. And that's exactly why scientists are now monitoring every movement carefully. And if you enjoy exploring terrifying science mysteries like this, make sure to subscribe, because some of the most dangerous things happening on Earth are the ones most people never notice. Using satellites, seismic sensors, underwater scanners, and underground imaging technology, researchers track even the tiniest changes beneath the Earth. Every tremor matters, every pressure shift matters, every strange gas release matters. Because when magma starts rising, the planet whispers before it screams. But what happens if scientists misunderstand the warning signs? That uncertainty is what makes volcanoes so terrifying. Now, to be clear, researchers are not saying a catastrophic eruption is about to happen tomorrow. There's no evidence of an immediate disaster, but the growing underground activity is a reminder of something humans often forget. The Earth beneath us is alive. Right now, while millions of people go about their normal lives, molten rock may already be moving silently beneath Japan, and most people living above it would never realize it. And if history has taught us anything, it's that nature does not need permission to wake up. Sometimes, after thousands of years of silence, the Earth suddenly reminds humanity who is really in control. So the next time you see a peaceful mountain, remember this: the most dangerous volcanoes on Earth are often the ones nobody is worried about. Subscribe for more stories hidden beneath the surface of our planet.